Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again with another unboxing review to do. This is the Vizio. Just got this today, the 4K HDR Vizio 55 class LED E series, 2160 right up there. P 4K Ultra HD TV with HDR. These are the specs. Hold on one sec. Pretty impressive. I just got it done setting it up. So we got the specs right here. Chromecast built in. I'm going to have to download the app. Alexa built in. I'm going to have to download the app. LED TVs.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Oh boy. And then advanced TV sound is 10 watt speakers, virtual DTS sound, 3 HDMI inputs, 120 hertz, so that's really good. USB input for Chromecast, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, tablets. Oh wow. So you can definitely do a lot of stuff with this one. So I'm going to show you over what it looks like. I finally unboxed it and everything. So I'm going to hop on over. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the Vizio E-Series 4K HDR Smart TV, 55-inch. Really nice setup. Easy to install with the Wi-Fi, 4K Dolby Vision, Vizio Smart, Chromecast built in, watch free. I'll show you that in a second. It comes with a remote. This is a big upgrade. Look at that. This was my old one. I just replaced. That was a 41-inch. And now this is a 55-inch. So really cool features. We can download a few apps. So like I said, there's Netflix. I got that on my TV. I don't want to take up too much memory. So there's a lot of choices. YouTube TV, NBC, Prime Video. I think I got that. Amazon. Click on the Amazon button. Right there, they got the Netflix, Crackle, iHeartRadio, Vudu, Kumo, Exmo. I never heard of that one. Not sure what that is. So I'm going to have to sign in my passwords. Give me one sec. So here we are. We got the Amazon Prime all set up. And, you know, pretty much watch movies, what you want. And then I go back out. Exit the app. See what else I could do. I watched a few sports already on it, and man, the picture quality is amazing. I just wish I could show you guys it because of the little copyright, so I can't really show you a video. But I'm telling you though, this is pretty amazing. Let's see. It's supposed to be an app for Alexa. Let's browse. Movies, TV, support, extras. It's probably in there. Ah, there we go. Yep. Oh, you can change the backdrop. Oh, that's cool. I'll keep it that way. Hit back out. And then link this TV. Okay, I'm gonna have to sign up at the account and go through that way. Okay. So that's really easy to use. But TV shows. And then you can name it Family Room TV. There's a lot of great features on this smart TV. Here's all the shows that's listed. There you go. Trying to see. Oh, maybe I could. Maybe this. Maybe show you a brief second. Dang.
Close your eyes and escape the noise.
Yeah, that's clear. Let me shut my light off on that one sec. Oh yeah, that looks good. Zoom in a little bit more. Oh, that's clear. And then, whatchamacallit, the inputs are on the side, on this side. You're not going to be able to see. Hold on, let me turn the light. And maybe you might be able to see once I get it around. Maybe not. Too dark. But there's the 3 HDMIs on the side. And, pretty amazing though. It's lightweight and great sound. So definitely check them out. Link's going to be down below. Under $1,000 this TV was. So they had a sale going on. So definitely take advantage of that. YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great night and see you guys soon.